Hello guys, how are you doing? In this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to create a dramatic black and white. As we all know, if you want to create black and white, we just come here and do the black and white. This is how black and white is naturally. Some of us can start tweaking to get what we really want. If it is like this, we start moving our sliders, more of the red and all. But this idea is already outdated. There is an idea that works perfectly well. So let me crop my image first of all. I think this cropping is nice. This is how I want to crop my image. So from here, we are going to go to image, then go to calculation. Once you enter calculation, this is what you get. Let's go back to the image first of all and duplicate this and create a black and white on this. This is our black and white. So we'll group it, then we off it. Then we create a new layout, then we just come here and come to calculate and we save this also. Now the difference between this and the other method is that once you apply your adjustment layout, it will just be there. For this particular one, once you say okay, you have to hold down your Control A to select all, then Control C to copy, create a new layout, then hold down your Control Shift V to paste. Once you paste, it will just stay. So let's see the two black and white. This is what our first black and white came up with, and this is what the second black and white came up with. So let me just try something. I will just drag this way. So now you see the difference between both black and white. This is the one above. It doesn't have that much strong highlights and contrast compared to the one I did with calculation. So let's go back. I'll off this and I'll off this. And from here, I can also change the option of the black and white. I can just come here, change this from red to gray. This is what I'll get if I change it to gray. This is what I will get if I change it to green, blue, like that. So let's keep it on our red. Then let's see if we can change this also. You have the option to change both channels to whichever color you like. So I'm going to stay with my red, which is the brighter one. But if this becomes too bright, it will affect the image. The details of the image will go off. But let's try our blend mode. We also have the options to use all these blend modes on this particular shot. So you can decide to want to leave it like this. You can decide to want to bring it down because you need that contrast on your image. So let me say I will just keep it on one of these. I'll just keep it around here. Then I'll say okay. I think this is the same thing as what I did here. So that is because I love this particular one. Now let's say our before and after. This is the before and this is the after. Now from here now we can now merge everything together, then create go to camera raw, where we can now tweak and bring down a little of the highlights in some areas, because once you're working this way, it will help you with the help of adjustment layout to just fix some of the things that you think you want to fix in the image. So I'll just bring this up and I'll say okay. Now when I do this, every part of the image has lost that much of details that we want to keep, and what we want to do is just to apply it and reduce it. So we can just come here and use our fill to bring this down. So once you bring it down, the overexposing of the image has gone off and you have this amazing black and white. So this is your regular black and white. This is the black and white with calculation. So you now on your own, go back and tell me which of them you prefer. If this video has done something great for you, make sure you give me a like and also invite your friends to follow the page. Thank you and see you in another video.